Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Plugcast. I'm your host Viraj Lamba, and today is going to be all about a very controversial topic: nepotism. But some of you might have questions.
Hey Viraj, but I don't know what nepotism is, yeah. What is nepotism, yeah?
Let me tell you. Nepotism is nothing but assigning jobs to relatives or friends or anyone that is close to you. So in Bollywood, whenever anyone says nepotism, some words do come to your mind. Karan Johar. Yes, that is correct. आज हम इन लोगों के बारे में ही बात करेंगे. So nepotism initially started off as a movement where these stars were just required to just acknowledge the fact that they did have a privilege. और काफी actors ने ये किया भी है. A lot of Bollywood stars admitted that they had privilege, right? They admitted that they were born in a film family, and a lot of other people do have to struggle more than them to get into the industry and kind of sustain for a while. But for the Hindustani Janta, acknowledgement is not enough. We want more. So for those of you who don't know what's happening in nepotism right now, congratulations. You are not affected by peer pressure or media. So this is what happened. After the unfortunate death of Sushant Singh Rajput, Kangana Ranaut made a very bold claim, stating that this wasn't a suicide and was allegedly a murder because this death was driven by bullying from Bollywood biggies such as Karan Johar. What happened with Sushant Singh Rajput was very, very unfortunate, but the truth is we don't for sure know what happened. We don't know why he committed suicide or even if he committed suicide in the first place. Now I get that Kangana Ranaut is standing up for what she believes in. I get that. That's right. But you can't be a celebrity and openly claim that it was a murder when none of it has been solved yet.
Hey, no Viraj, yeah, you can't say stuff like this, yeah. It was murder. Usko pakkar murder kiya. Murder hai, bhai.
Making a claim like this when you're a celebrity is a very irresponsible thing to do. If people started making assumptions like Kangana Ranaut does, दुनिया कहाँ से कहाँ चले जाएगी? Hey bro, I'm hungry.
You want pizza, no?
Actually,
No, I know you want pizza. तो पिज्जा चाहिए ना पिज्जा चाहिए तेरे को.
अरे मेरे को पता नहीं है actually भाई मेरे को I don't know.
नहीं, तेरे को पिज्जा छोड़ना. तेरे को पिज्जा चाहिए भाई, पिज्जा चाहिए तेरे को.
अरे मगर भाई मेरे को पिज्जा नहीं पता मेरे को चाहिए कि नहीं.
अरे खाना डोमिनोज की माँ की.
So guys, let me break it to you. Nepotism exists in every single industry. अभी तुम अंबानी के बेटे को कॉल करके नहीं बोलोगे अरे ब्रो ऐसा कैसा कर रहा भाई मेरे I also want to do business. Why are you taking your dad's side like this? No, I also want to do business. I want to be rich person. नहीं बोलोगे ना. Nepotism is definitely bad for outsiders of the Indian film industry. But is it bad in general? Is it? यार देखो, filmmaking is a business. If something works, producers will just run behind it because पैसा आ रहा है यार. Look, there are good actors and bad actors in the Indian film industry, irrespective of whether or not they're a product of nepotism. So there was this whole political agenda that came up about Kangana Ranaut where her illegally built office got broken down. I'm not saying this is right or wrong, but for all the people who are asking me, "Arey bro, how can they break down Kangana Ranaut office like that, bro? There are 1,000 million, 100 billion plus like houses in Mumbai that are not like illegal. They are everybody illegal only." So let me ask you this question. Why was Riya Chakraborty arrested for buying weed where every second person we know has smoked up in their life before? Who the heck gets arrested for weed? The reason why I did this video was to tell you guys why do we even care about this stuff? We've got so many other problems in our country right now. Why don't we just spend our time and energy focusing on those issues? लेकिन इंडियन मीडिया बोल रही है नहीं, इनको नहीं करना है. इनको क्या करना है? रिया चक्रवर्ती, उद्धव ठाकरे, करण जौहर, ये सब चाहिए ना तुम्हारे को. लो. Guys, instead of spending your time watching this kind of news, just educate yourself more about our country and where it's standing right now. All of what the Indian media is showing us, all of this are just cover-ups for all the horrible conditions we're going through right now and all the horrible conditions we'll be going through in the future as well. So guys, for everyone who's asking me what my stance is on nepotism and what I think about Kangana Ranaut, this is what I want to show you.
मेरे देश की धरती सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती, मेरे देश की धरती, मेरे देश की धरती, मेरे देश की धरती, सोना उगले उगले